guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Today we will prepare a side dish because I didn't do that for a long time and I wanted a side dish that is perfect with fish. It has only 3 ingredients, yes, just 3. So let's go together to prepare this delicious and super easy side dish. It's a surprise for my son. I hope he will like it and I hope you all will like it too. And here you can see the few and easy ingredients. You will need half kilo of radishes, then 150 grams of butter and some anchovies. I'm talking about the anchovies in a jar with oil, not the fresh ones. These are very salty and these are the reason why we are not adding any other salt. Let's start this recipe by washing, drying and cutting our radishes. I cooked other recipes with radishes, baked radishes, also on a pan with bacon, so in my videos you will find in the side dish playlist also the other 2 recipes. But I also got many questions about it because I always say that vegetables that are keto are also green and they grow above ground. But the one growing underground are not keto, some of them, and others are, like radishes. You must check the carbs content, of course, to be sure. In this case, they have a 4%, less than 4% carbs total, but half of them are fiber. So actually the net carb are only 2%, and this means that they are very, very keto. Now that we took out the extremities and you cannot use them, you must throw them, and we cut the radishes in half, we can start the cooking by melting our butter. This is a big quantity of butter. We are 3 people, so it means there is 50 grams per person. I choose to do this quantity of butter even if it's too much for the radishes because it will become the sauce for our tuna. To transform it into a sauce, I will add the anchovies. As you can see, I didn't give you a quantity because I just took as many anchovies as I think it's right, but everybody is different, so you should taste it. This fish is really very salty, so pay attention not to put too many anchovies. It will give a lot of flavor, it will be an amazing combo with the butter, but the salt is there. If you cut the anchovies as little as possible before putting them into the pan with the butter, they will melt very easily, as you can see from my video. And now, before adding the radishes, I will taste this butter with a little spoon because I must be sure that the salt is right, and I highly suggest you to do the same. Salt was perfect and the flavor is really amazing. So now we add our radishes and go on with the cooking. This will take quite a long time because radishes are very hard and the video goes very fast. So don't worry if your radishes stay hard for quite a long time. The cooking should go on until you will be able to pinch your radishes with a fork or until you will see that they are ready. It's not difficult, but you must be patient. A good way to make it faster is after leaving them without lid to add the lid. In this way there will be also the steam softening your radishes. Meanwhile, we can prepare our tuna fish by seasoning with salt, powdered garlic and, if you like, pepper, black pepper. In this video I had some technical problems. At the beginning and at the end you will hear some noises that are my hair on the microphone. And the second problem was that I put the lid on the radishes, and when I took the lid out, all the steam went on the phone, and as you can see I cleaned it to make the image back to normal. So I apologize, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm just a normal person cooking for his family, so please be patient and give me time to get better. But talking about time, I have to tell you that the radishes are ready. But before putting them on a serving plate, as they have a lot of melted butter, I will filter it because this will become the sauce for our tuna fish. I promise that it's a delicious sauce. You can use it also with other veggies, for example with zucchini. Sauteed zucchini with butter and anchovies are really delicious. I love my octopus sauce picture because it has an octopus and it's perfect when I cook fish. I'm sorry to tell you that it's not for sale anymore because I bought it some years ago, but it's still so cute that I always use when I have fish, shells or this kind of food. Now that also the radishes are on a serving plate, we can cook the fish. We choose the tuna, as I told you, and we will prepare it in the same pan where we cook the radishes. Not because I want to use dirty pans, but because I would like to get also the flavor from the radishes to get and mix together with the fish. It will be delicious, and it's also easy because you don't get so many dirty pans. What is also very easy is to check the cooking of the tuna, because you should see the side that change the color, so you can decide if you want it raw, medium or well done. It's super easy. It should be like that for everything. Now it's time to turn our tuna to the other side and cook the other side too. As I told you, it's super easy and it will be ready. Our radishes are already ready and our tuna, it will be ready in a few seconds. This is a very fast cooking. The tuna is really easy, and if you prepare it with a salad, it will be a 3 minutes preparation and you will have an amazing lunch. But look how beautiful and perfect is the tuna together with the radishes and anchovies. Now it's time to the final touch, to put our sauce on top of the fish, and it's time for lunch. So we will enjoy it and then we will go for a beautiful walk together with my son. I really hope you all liked today's recipe, or recipes, because there were two, and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 p.m. Italian time with another video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. See you next week, and thank you all for subscribing, for liking and for leaving a nice comment below my videos. Thank you all. We are at the Blå Porten, that means Blue Gate. It means also that we are entering Djurgården. It's a special island, very downtown Stockholm, and it was a hunting place for the Queen, the King and all the royal family. So it's very green and now it's beautiful. It's open to everybody and we can walk there, cycle there and also take a bath, because they have also some beach and it's really fantastic. On this island there are also several incredible museums, like the Astrid Lindgren's Museum. Astrid Lindgren is the lady that wrote the story of Pippi Longstocking, so I highly recommend it if you have young kids. Then there is the super fun ABBA the Museum. You can listen all the music from ABBA and I love them. And here you can find also the Vasa Museum. Vasa is the most visited museum in all Scandinavian, and there is also Skansen, the open air museum. You cannot miss it.